Let's convert 610 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how you do it. So you need to know that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. That's our conversion factor, and we'll use that to convert our 610 millimeters to atmospheres here. So what we'll do is multiply this by our conversion factor. And we want millimeters of mercury to cancel out. So we're going to put 760 millimeters of mercury here in the denominator. That way they'll cancel out. We want to end up with atmospheres, so 1 atmosphere, that goes in the numerator here. So now you can see when we multiply millimeters of mercury, that cancels out. We're left with atmospheres, and that's what we want. So 610 divided by 760, that gives us 0.8026. Let's call it 0.803, and the units, atmospheres. And that's all that's left up here, so we know we set this up correctly. So when we convert 610 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres, we end up with 0.803 atmospheres. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.